Hello students. In today's lesson, we will learn about the three isotopes of hydrogen, protium, deuterium, and tritium, along with their properties and significance. Atoms of the same element that have the same number of protons, but different number of neutrons, are called isotopes. This means they have the same atomic number, but a different mass number. Hydrogen is the best example of isotopes in chemistry. Hydrogen has three naturally occurring isotopes: protium, superscript 1H, deuterium, superscript 2H or D, and tritium, superscript 3H or T. All three have one proton, because they are hydrogen, but they differ in the number of neutrons. Let's look at each one. Protium, superscript 1H, is the most common isotope, making up 99.98% of natural hydrogen. It has one proton and 0 neutrons. Because it has no neutrons, it is the lightest and most abundant isotope. Protium is colorless, odorless, and used mostly in chemical reactions and fuels. Deuterium, superscript 2H or D, has one proton and 1 neutron. Because it has an extra neutron, its mass is higher. When water contains deuterium instead of normal hydrogen, it forms heavy water, D2O. Heavy water is used in nuclear reactors, for tracing reactions in chemistry and in scientific research. Because of higher density, heavy water has different physical properties, but its chemical properties remain nearly the same. Tritium, superscript 3H or T, has one proton and 2 neutrons. This makes tritium radioactive. It is very rare in nature and usually produced in nuclear reactors. Tritium is used in nuclear fusion research, glow signs and watches, and scientific analysis. So, hydrogen has three isotopes: protium with 1 proton and 0 neutrons, deuterium with 1 proton and 1 neutron, and tritium with 1 proton and 2 neutrons. They share chemical properties due to identical electron numbers, but their mass and physical properties vary with neutron differences. If this lesson helped you understand hydrogen isotopes, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay connected with SM Educate for more Class 9 chemistry lessons.